Description: a sodium chloride-free, color-safe, nourishing daily conditioner. Benefits: replenishes moisture levels and instantly nourishes dull, weak hair. Restores hair's elasticity and vibrancy. Suggested use: apply a generous amount to clean, wet hair and distribute evenly. Rinse thoroughly. Top reviews from the United States. Great Keratin shampoo and conditioner. Yes, I have used this item for a couple of years. It done away with my split ends and makes my hair soft. I have my hair colored and this product keeps my hair healthy. Great for color-treated hair. I am a blonde and highlight my hair 2x per year. My colorist recommended this brand and I am never turning back. It helps clean my hair, straighten some of the wave, and takes care of my color to help it last so long.